What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today it's a final walkthrough for a client. We just got done doing a final walkthrough. This is the Lennar homes down in Corinthalyn. Yeah, we're looking at the, I believe it's the jewels, right? So there's the jewels, the keepsakes, and also the charm, right? So this is the jewels. And just want to show you guys an update of this site real quick. It's a beautiful house. Let's do a final walkthrough, show you guys what we've come across and what we didn't come across, all right? So let's go ahead and check it out. Guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Learn how we can help you save a whole bunch of money when it comes to buying. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys, of the complete walkthrough of this house, right? And see what we've came across. So right on the right side of the house, or the left side of the house, we have a full-size bedroom. This bedroom right here is in pristine condition. So they actually did all the touch-up paint and everything already. So really, we don't have to worry about anything. No marks, no blue tapes or anything like that. Right here is the full-size bathroom. All right, we double-checked everything. Let's see. Yeah, we double-checked everything already. Test the water, make sure there's no leakage. Everything is done. Check underneath the sink cabinet, nothing, right? Just, you're not gonna see anything currently right now. So bedroom number 2, right here. Again, we checked the windows smooth. The walls, there's nothing on the wall, guys, all right? So what you're seeing here is that these final walkthrough, they're getting better and better. You're not gonna see that many tapes or anything moving forward as we continue to progress with the builder. So what Lennar is doing is that they are doing there's 2 quality assurance. One is the guy that, the customer care guy, now they're like the appraisal now, and they take photos for the mortgage company. And they have to do the final walk before they take the photos, and they gotta make sure the house is all in very tip-top shape also as well. Same with the construction site manager, the crew manager. They gotta make sure the house is in tip-top shape, right? So we double check the heating system, the cooling system, the built-in appliances. So these are Frigidaire appliances. We got the vinyl throughout the whole house, and these cabinets are looking really nice. So I don't really see anything particular in this kitchen. We did not mark anything, guys. We did not mark anything in this kitchen. So let's keep on pushing, show you guys the washer and dryer room. So here's the washer and dryer room, huge, spacious and everything. We got the linen closet right there that you can put on the side. And then, yeah, just give you guys a good idea of what's what. Of course, we check all the windows and everything. We've also checked the fence picket and everything. But yeah, you can see how there's no blue tapes or anything throughout this whole house. Makes it look really nice. Let's go show you guys the master right here. So here's the master. All right, again, guys, we literally showing you guys. This is a pretty big closet too. You see what I mean? Like this closet. Yep. They need some paint right there, but it's not a huge concern. All right, so. Yeah, I mean, the AC system feels really good here. Yeah, here's the master bathroom right here. Our client is super excited about this. Right? The toilet area. A lot of space right there too. The double mirror, double sink. Yeah. Yeah, let's show you guys the backyard real quick. One thing I love about this house is that you see that the backyard is pretty spacious. There's no neighbors in the backyard, and yeah, you see how it's like at least 20 feet deep right there. Especially for over here in this area, right? Yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys the garage, and then that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, where's my shoes? Let me grab my shoes first and then show you guys the garage. But yeah, that's a pretty much it walkthrough. I mean, this is one of the most easiest walkthrough that we've ever done. There's literally nothing, no blue tape that we see. But right now, we're just revising and kind of like going over a little bit of everything. All right, so let's go ahead and walk out here just so then we can show you guys. All right, so the garage. So they got the lift master right there. Right there, outlet plug, which is really nice. We also have the Tesla battery system right there, which is really good. Connected to the nice power wall, all right. The panel right there. And then we got the Rainbird system. All right. Show you guys the backyard real quick. End phase solar system. All right. Okay. Backyard. Super nice and quiet backyard. Simple, easy to manage. Fence looks great. Siding looks fantastic. Right? Look at the siding, everything looks good. There's no cracks or dry rot in the fence. The only thing that we recommend our client doing is make sure to seal this thing off, right? But yeah, we check out the fence, everything looks good. But pretty much this is it, guys. This house is, I think it went pending for around under 400,000. Yeah, it's in the low 400, right? In the low 400, but you see how the exterior has all that stone veneer bricks? Makes the house look super nice. A beautiful house, right? It's a beautiful house. And then you can do the backyard, make it look very spacious and beautiful. It's a beautiful starter house, guys. All right, beautiful starter house. So we love this house, guys. So anyways, that's pretty much it for the walkthrough. Guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Jump on our calendar, learn how we can help you save a whole bunch of money when it comes to buying. Our calendar links and everything is down below. Go to buywithfam.com. We'd love to help you guys out, all right? James here with James and Marisa on Real Estate. We're gonna be signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.
Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithfam.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So guys, we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California, including Sacramento area. Also, we have partner agents in Fresno, Clovis, and all of Central Valley, along with Portland, Oregon, Northern, Southern California, including Irvines and also Orange County. So guys, if you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithfam.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right, guys, look forward to helping you out. Peace and love.